Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Juvenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item, a Red Wing shoes, boots that I bought from Osaka, Japan, when I had my trip on the first week of March. It's only now that I'm going to unbox this particular shoes because I have two pairs of Red Wing shoes that I bought from Japan, and the other one is an Oxford, Red Wing Oxford. This is the 8079 in cotton leather, and I've been using it for the past months already, and I've used it while I was staying in Japan during those vacation or trip that I had during the month of March. And this is the second shoes that I bought from the Red Wing store, which is located in Umeda, particularly in LUACA Building. It is located at the 7th floor of the LUACA Building in Umeda, Osaka, Japan. And I was able to locate the said store, and the store has a lot of Red Wing boots to offer, and the staff is very courteous, very helpful, and it is my first time to experience that they were the ones who helped me fit in my shoes. And I got some pictures of them putting on my shoes, and it was a very amazing experience of having this kind of customer service while you are in Japan. I never had that experience while I was in the United States or here in our local store for Red Wing. And here comes now the Red Wing shoes that I'm going to unbox. This is the Red Wing 9060. This is the most sought after Beckman Featherstone Flatbox boots from Red Wing, and this is 8.5D. I have adjusted my size since the time that I found out that my size with the flatbox, Beckman and Blacksmith, and the back toes is 8.5D. However, in the Iron Ranger, my size is still 8D. So I think because of my gout on my right foot, there is some bigger size on my right foot. That's the reason why I adjusted my size to 8.5D. So we come now with the unboxing. And here it is. Let me put down the box and bring out the shoes in front of the camera. So this is how it looks like. You have a Featherstone leather, which is the black Teacore leather. As you know, I've been looking to have a black Teacore leather boots, but it was timely that I was in Japan, and it is only in Japan that you have this kind of Beckman shoes flatbox, and the toe is unstructured. The patina of this leather, it will become brown, as you can see on the middle part of the leather. So as these boots will age, the black color or dye will be removed, and the brown one will be distinct as this leather will age. This shoes has a flat shoelaces, and it has a very nice speed hooks. You have 3 speed hooks and 4 eyelets. So it is very easy to tie these boots, and you have a Grow Pro soles, which is very distinct and very distinct to this kind of model. You don't see this kind of Grow Pro sole, outsole in other Red Wing boots. And you have a separate backstay, and of course the Puritan stitches, and a leather insole. And then you have also a leather midsole. This is Goodyear Welt boots, which means that this is resolable. And starting today, June 1, I'll be using these boots, and we will see what will happen after 1 month, 2 months, and 3 months, and so on. So we will have an update on these shoes every month on this YouTube channel. The price of these boots is 50,000 yen, but I was able to get a 10% discount because they usually offer that kind of discount, and the conversion is very low from yen to peso. So I think this is the price of this is 17,000 pesos, but if you buy it in dollars in the United States, which is not yet available, this will translate to about 21,000. So with shipping and everything from the United States to the Philippines, I was able to save at least 6,000 pesos from buying these boots in Japan. So as of now, this is exclusive in Japan, the Red Wing 9060, and here it is. Very nice. And we will proceed with the fitting of these boots.